Good day everyone guys, this is Laking Davao and once again welcome back to my channel guys. Ayan. Ayan, magandang araw sa inyo lahat dyan guys at kumusta po kayo, no? Sana ay nasa mga mabuti tayong mga kalagayan guys, ha? Ayan. So guys, ngayon guys, nandito tayo in along JP Laurel Avenue guys, no? In the northern part of the city of Davao, no? Dito sa Lanang area. Ayan guys. So ang gagawin natin dito ngayon guys is we're going to update a series of mga ongoing and upcoming projects na mangyayari dito na side na area, no? Especially dito, no, sa may likod ng around the vicinity of SM Lanang Premier, no? Yung sa likod niya is of course the Davao Park District by Mega World. So ngayon, ang first stop natin guys, dito muna tayo along the highway of this JP Laurel, no? Nandun kasi banda yung SM Lanang Premier. We are here, malapit tayo dito sa may crossing ng malapit sa may corner ng Angliongto Avenue, no, or the Damosa Gateway, no. Ayan guys, no. So here meron ditong Dalanang Suites, no. It's a hotel. So ito yung ating i-update guys, no. Itong nasa harap natin guys, no. This is the area where itong Destined Davao will rise, no. Ito yung area niya guys, no. Actually dyan sa likod, ito yung dating Davao Monarch, no. Ayan. So dyan mismo guys, sa loob na area na yan guys, sa likod yan, dyan itatayo yung 3 towers na Destined Davao, no. And soon to be the tallest structure will be here in the northern part of the city of Davao, no. It will be a 23 stories high guys, no. It's a luxury condominium guys. Yan yung mga yan yung kanilang actually kaka-launch lang nito nila guys, no. I think no, just a couple of weeks ago, no. Ayan. So alam nyo ba guys, as I said, dito nga sa Davao ngayon ay grabe, no, mainit yung pagbebenta ng mga pagdating sa mga real estate, no, especially like this sa mga condominiums. And the tower 1 of this project guys has already been sold out. Ganon kabilis guys, no. Just a couple weeks ago nag-launch sila and it is already sold out, no. Tapos yung tower 2, I think they are parang almost sold out na rin, no. I think they're beyond 70% sold. And the tower 3 ay meron na rin naibenta na rin, no. Ayan. So dyan siya itatayo guys, no. Yung mga buildings na nakikita nyo sa likod guys, yan yung later on na we're going to update also. That is already the part of the Lane Residence by SMDC, no. Yung 8 towers na 13 stories each nila. So later on we're going to update there guys, no. Ayan. So kasi lilibutin natin itong Davao Park District at saka itong sa may surroundings ng itong SM Lanang Premier. Ayan guys, no. So I think 2024 ang start of construction itong project dito guys, no. Itong Destined Davao, no, by We Community, no. Ayan. It is a very good location din kasi guys, no, kasi ang lapit niya sa airport, sa school, no, and of course the mall, no. I don't know, hindi ko lang alam guys kung magkakaroon sila ng parang access doon sa likod banda, no, sa area na sa likod banda, no, para meron silang easy access going towards to the mall or the SM Lanang Premier. Yan. So yun guys, so that is our first update, no, itong area na. So ito yung area niya guys, no. Yan yung magiging tsura ng the design of the building, no, yung perspective nila. It is a 23 stories guys. Ayan. Maganda siya guys, maganda yung ano niya, kakaiba yung kanyang dating, no. I think the We Community Development parang dinisign nila yan for Davao talaga, no. Ayan, kaya pati ang ganda ng mga ano nila guys, no, yung mga sa amenities nila at saka yung sa loob, no. Ayan, yung magigano yan. Ang ganda ng kanilang ng project na ito guys, no. So, yun, isa sa mga aabangan dito na area, especially. Okay? So, ngayon guys, we're going to the SM Lanang, no. So, next time papasok na tayo doon sa SM Lanang. Ang sunod natin i-update is yung mga buildings na yan na nasa likod guys, no. That's the Lane Residence, no, by SMDC. Okay, let's go guys, no. Ayan guys, no, we are already dito na tayo sa may loob mismo ng ano, nandito tayo sa may Dakudaw Loop, no. Doon tayo galing kanina, doon tayo pumasok, no? Kasi yung area na yan dyan guys, yung makikita nyo, yung dito na area dyan banda, dito yung magandang view ni Destin Davao guys, no, if ever na pagka natayo na siya, no. So just right beside lang talaga siya nitong SMDC sa Lane Residence guys, no. Ito namang Lane Residence guys, it is composed of 8 towers guys, no. 13 stories each. Ayan, no. So I think yung kanilang trabaho ngayon guys, no, they actually started already the second phase, no. Nandoon na sila banda kasi yung second phase yung doon sa may bandang na side na yon hanggang doon sa may likod, no. Doon na yung trabaho nito ngayon guys, no. So yun. So itong harap ni SMDC guys, in the future, this is for future development. Parang ang na-release ng ano dito guys, ng SM management yata, or the SM Prime, no. It is a parang sa future development dyan is a office building guys, no, or a corporate office towers, no. Ayan, ito tayo nila. So siguro para to meet the ano, no, yung ma-challenge nila yung mga in demand dito ngayon sa Davao City, which is number 1 is the residential, no. Itong mga condominiums, yan yung mga malakas ngayon dito, bentahan guys, no. Ayan. So pati na rin yung mga office space, no. Ayan, medyo in demand na rin kasi yun nga, because of the BPOs around the cities, medyo expand yung mga big na BPO companies already exist here. Sige sila expand guys, no. Ayan. So yan, yeah. So yan yung kind of development here ngayon dito na side na portion, no. So dito na yung SM Lanang Premier guys, no. Ayan, dito na area. So yun, no. And you know guys, na this SMDC, as I said, meron na rin silang parang inumpisahan na rin nila yung second development project nila ng SMDC dito sa Davao City guys, no. Doon naman sila sa may likod ng dating ng SM City Davao, no, which is in the southern part of the city. Yung doon guys, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung magiging yung final na perspectives nila or the design or whatever the name of the residence na itatayo nila doon, no? Ayan. So pero maganda rin yung magiging position nila doon, guys, since it is malapit sila sa coastal road, na yung bagong gawang coastal road, and it's a good view, no? Also kasi especially if high rise talaga yung itatayo nila doon, magiging view nila yung Davao Gulf. Yeah. So yun, guys, so that is the latest now for the Lane residence, no? Actually itong 3 towers na nakikita natin sa may harap, parang nasa finishing touches na lang to, guys, no? Nakapintura na, parang primer. Later part siguro nito, guys, no, magkakaroon na yan ng mga salamin, ano, tapos yan medyo finishing touches na ng mga pintura, no, yung mga final coating, no. Ayan, siguro ngayon concentrate nila, guys, is yung doon banda, no, sa may likod. Medyo malaki kasi yung area na yan, guys, at saka maraming amenities rin itong Lane residence, guys, no, tulad niya, no. Ayan, ang daming ano dyan, guys, no. Ayan, so that's it, no. That's the latest of the Lane residence Davao, guys, no, in Davao. So next stop natin, guys, is just right beside here. That is already the Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, no. So yung hospital na yan, that is the 12-story Lanang Premier Hospital. Just right beside dyan, parang napaggitnaan itong Lane residence at saka niyang hospital na yan, may bago lang din na groundbreak dyan, guys, no, na itatayo na pagmamayari nitong Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, no. It is the Lanang Premier, the LP Corporate Center and Business Center, no, parang ganon. Yun yung inano nila, groundbreak. So pupunta tayo doon, medyo sa may harap niya, guys, titignan natin kung ano yung development. I think nag groundbreak yan, guys, just almost a month na already, no. Ayan, so titignan natin kung ano yung latest na ganap dyan. Ayan, guys, let's go, guys. Ayan, guys, no. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may, dito banda sa may rotonda nitong Dakudao Loop, guys, no. Ayan. So kung dito ka, magta-turn left ka dito, ito yung papuntang Davao Park District na, no. Ayan. Pag yan naman ay dinerecho mo yan doon, ang labas mo yan doon is the JP Laurel already. Guys, no. So ito ngayon, itong may kulay green na bakod, yan yung bago lang na nagtawag nito na groundbreak, guys, no. No, yeah, the LP Business Center, no. Yan. So yan, guys, ang itatayo dyan, guys, is an 8-story building, no, or level building, 8 levels building, na which is nakikita natin sa ano nila, guys, parang high ceiling yan, guys, no. Halos magiging kapantay niya itong the Lane residence, guys, no. Ayan, kasi high ceiling nga siya. Ayan. So ito naman yung Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, guys, no. Ayan. Parang itong hospital ito, pagka nakita mo at may sakit ka, parang gagaling ka na kaagad, no. Parang ayaw mo na magpa-admit dyan, parang sa emergency room pa lang, sakto na. Okay, so yun yung kaganapan. Actually ngayon, guys, ang nakikita natin dito, yan, no, binakura nila yung area na yan. I think nag-clear sila dyan, no. Ayan, last time, guys, na hindi lang ako nakapag-vlog kasi night time. Nakita ko, nakadaan ako dito ng night time, may ongoing works dyan, guys, no. Parang may tinatrabaho, may mga backhoe, may mga ano, I think siguro baka they are already working for the foundation of the yung itatayo nila dyan na 8-story guys, no, na building. Ayan, so maybe, no, in the future makikita na natin to yung kung kailan talaga yung pag vertical ano niya, no, construction na niya. Ayan, siguro ngayon as I said, dito sa Davao guys, medyo nagtatagal talaga lahat ng mga construction dito doon sa foundation na guys, no, kasi nga number one, the reason medyo niyayanig ang Davao, laging nadadalaw ng pagyanig, no, ng lupa, no, kasi malapit tayo sa mga epicenters kung saan usually nagsisimula yung pagyanig guys, no, like the Davao de Oro, Davao Oriental, no, and in Sarangani, yan, no, kahit yung mga dyan na area guys, nararamdaman yan dito, no, nagkakaroon ng konting intensity no, dito sa Davao City guys. Ayan, so ngayon guys, pasyal tayo dito sa may bandang harap nitong hospital na ito guys, no, para makita natin. Dito tayo dito. Okay, let's go guys. Ayan, so ito yung I think may car park yung hospital dyan. So dito tayo, ito yung mga palabas ng papuntang Agdao guys, no. This blue fence here is part already of the Davao Park District, which is later on magkakaroon tayo ng update dyan. Dito na area sa may Davao Park District na ito guys, itong area na ito ay condominium din to, no, kasi alam ko condominium din ang itatayo dito guys, no. Ayan. So this is the Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital. It's parang ano to siya guys, no, resort, no. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ayan, no, Lanang Premier's Doctors Hospital, Medical Resort and Wellness Center. We have a farm here. Para siyang hotel guys, no. Kalae mo hospital pala to. Ayan. So may ano pala siya dito, no, parang pond or what. Ayan. So actually kasi itong Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital is still part of the project of the Davao Park District guys, no. Parang sa Mega World pa rin to. So ito na side na area nito, ito guys, condominium to yung itatayo din dito, no, kasi dito na area, dito rin yung tinayong One Lake Shore guys, no, which is right now guys, yan na naman ang pupunta natin guys, no, about sa Davao Park District naman yung development na nangyayari ngayon sa Davao Park District. Let's go guys, no, punta tayo doon. Ayan guys, no, so we are still here sa may Dakudao Loop. Ayan, yung nakikita natin ngayon is that's the Davao Park District already guys, no? So doon tayo galing. Ayan, that is the hospital, no? Ayan, dyan tayo galing kanina sa may parang rotonda dyan. Ayan guys. So ngayon guys, let's talk about this development here, no, the Davao Park District. Ano na ba, no? Kasi marami nag-ano dito, medyo matagal naman kasi ang ano, no, medyo snail nga ang ng development ng Davao Park District. I don't know why, no. Since nung ano, maganda sana to yung umpisa nila guys, no. Medyo mabilis sana yung kanilang pag-umpisa dito. Pero we really don't know what happened after the pandemic, no. Medyo nagkaroon sila ng medyo mababa no, bumaba yung kanilang work development, no. Unlike nung umpisa pa lang nung gagawin tong Davao Park District, parang maraming ganap dito, no. Maraming movement na nangyayari. So actually ngayon guys, that's yung nakikita yung mga buildings na yan, that is the 4 towers ng One Lakeshore guys, no. That towers are actually 21 story, no, each, no. 4 towers, 21 stories each. Yung isang tower niya doon sa may bandang dulo, no. Ayan, medyo malapit doon sa may kung saan yung Davao Finance Tower. Yun kasi yung Finance Tower guys. Itong building na ito. Nakapintura na, no. Meron ng mga actually meron ng mga glass ganyan, no. They are now working with the second building, I think, no. Ayan. So ito si third and fourth are still in developing no, stage, no. Parang mga wala parang finishing touches pa, no, or ano pa, may mga workloads pa na ginagawa, no, especially doon sa may taas, no. Ayan. Ang new development dito guys is dito na side, no, na area, yung medyo frontal dito na area, ditong bakante na ano, that is the location of the Two Lakeshore naman, no. It's parang the same, halos kaparehas ng design nitong One Lakeshore guys, pero ang the difference lang is the number of floors, no. Ito kasi si One Lakeshore is 21 story building, no. Ito naman si Two Lakeshore guys will be a 19 story building. Ayan, no. So yun yung difference nila. Tsaka ito si Two Lakeshore medyo colored, ano siya, no, parang iba-iba yung kulay niya, no. Ayan, no, medyo flow, ano siya, no, may pink, mga parang mga pastel colors ang kanyang datingan. Ayan, ito kasi na side na area na ito guys ng Mega World Davao or the Davao Park District. Dito na area lahat dyan ang itatayo dito guys is puro condominiums, no. Ayan. Yun nga sinasabi ko, meron pa yung itatayo dyan banda sa may mauuna yata yung dito sa may sa may tabi ng hospital. Ayan, no. Ayan, tapos meron yan siya palikod hanggang sa likod na magfi-face dito, parang 6 na towers naman yan, no. And there will be one here, I think it's a condotel, no, will rise here, or a parang pinaka premier condominium nila, no, isa sa mga premier condominiums nila. Ayan, so dito na side guys, more on residential space, no. Ayan, so kaya siguro nagkaroon sila ng expansion nitong Davao Park District guys, diba, kasi nabili na rin nila yung area yung sa side doon. Nag-add up to sila, no, na parang up to 18 hectares yata, no, ang in-add up nito. So kaya ngayon siguro yung part doon guys will be a commercial or ano, kasi siguro dito dati alam ko merong proposed dito, it's a residential office, no. Parang magkakaroon ng meron pa nga ano no, parang sa baba ng mga office towers will be a parang lifestyle mall. I think binago nila yan since kasi baka no, sa hospital area, and then it's it is a residential area also, so medyo inano nila, no, para sa crowd ano siguro. I don't know what yung kanila talagang plan, no. So malaki ang changes. I think yan yung isa sa medyo kaya siguro bumagal yung development nitong Davao Park District. I think nag-reduce sila sa design guys, no. Ayan, marami silang binago, no. Katulad na lang yung nangyari doon banda na area guys, na akala natin na McDonald's, naging Davao Whiskey Park, no? Ayan. And also yung the development after the clock tower, yung iconic clock tower nila guys, parang nag-stop din, no? I think siguro baka may pagbabago na mangyayari talaga dyan guys. So ngayon guys, move tayo doon, no, sa may corner doon banda. Doon tayo sa may kung saan yung may Davao Whiskey Park na area. Okay, let's go guys. Ayan guys, no. So nandito tayo sa parang junction nitong Dakudao Loop and the Davao Park District. Ayan. So ito na yung Davao Finance Tower. Ayan. Okay. So dito na. Ito yung fence na ito. Ito yung sa magiging pwesto ni 1 Lakeshore at saka ni 2 Lakeshore. Ayan. Ayan guys, no? So ngayon, ito yung sinasabi ko na guys, na dati ang expectation natin dito is sa McDo, no, na nagbago, no. Ayan. Kasi yung area na yan guys, yung sa likod na yan, sa area na yan, likod, ay nabili na, no. Is part already of the Davao Park District, no. So feeling ko yung area na yan dyan guys, na itatayo nila, dyan yung mga I think yung mga katulad nitong mga office corporate center. Actually kasi meron ding itatayo dito, no, just right beside here. I think there's groundworks ongoing there na later on titignan natin. Ayan, no. Yan yun siya guys, no. It's malaki yan hanggang doon, no. Almost aabot sila nung boundary nung Acacia Hotel. Ayan, no. That's the Acacia Hotel already. Ayan. So let's go guys, no. Punta tayo dito na area before we will end this vlog. Ayan guys, no. So nandito tayo sa may back portion. Actually ito yung sinasabi ko, this will location here na may makikita kayo maraming tower cranes. They are now preparing to build a new tower here, no. Actually it's they called it the One Republic Plaza. Ayan. So we don't know, wala sila nga nilabas na kung ilang stories to. I think halos magiging kapantay na itong Finance Tower, no. Ayan. This Finance Tower is I think it is a 16 story, no. So ito siguro baka mga ganun din, no. 15 to 16 story. Ayan. So yun guys, no. Groundworks has been already done here. Ayan. Ayan guys, no. Hanggang sa doon na sa likod na yan guys, no. Parang they are preparing. So ngayon guys, ang trabaho dito is more on kasi dyan area na yan guys, it is a lump area, parang ano yan guys, no. Parang watershed before, no. It's parang swamp area, no. So ngayon, ang more ang ginatrabaho doon guys sa area na yon is yung mga pagtatambak sa mga lupa, no, syempre para tapos dadaan-daan na niya ng mga para tumigas at maging compact, no, maging ayan. So that's it guys, no. Yan yung ngayon guys, no. So this is really the the One Republic Plaza is now starting to rise, no. Ayan, it's now starting they're starting the construction of the One Republic Plaza already. Yun. So let's do another vlog for this guys. Okay. So that's it guys, no. Yan yung mga naging developments around here sa dito sa Lanang area guys, no. Especially here in sa may boundary ng itong palibot ng SM Lanang Premier. Ayan. So first ang tinignan natin is just a quick review lang yung the Destin Davao, no, the 23-story Destin Davao. 3 towers yan, the 23 stories each, no. And then the SM Lanang the SMDC's Lane Residence, no, yung 8 towers, 13 stories each naman. Ito naman, ang sumunod is yung sa pinagitnaan nitong Lanang Premier Hospital at saka nung SMDC Lane Residence is the 8-story na business district or a business center ng nitong Lanang Premier Hospital, no. And then the two Lakeshore is now on groundworks also, no. May nakikita natin sa picture, no, na meron ng ginawa dyan para sa foundation works na they are starting already. Okay, and this one, the latest, is the One Republic Plaza, no, which is later on we're going to do a vlog here. Okay, so that's it guys, no. Thank you so much, and please like and share the video. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please do so, subscribe na po kayo, and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time I will upload a video tungkol sa mga development here in Davao, no, and in Metro Davao. Ayan. So guys, sa akin paalala, mag-iingat kayo para hanggang sa mga araw-araw ninyong pinagagawa guys, dahil yung mga mahal natin sa buhay nag-aantayan sa atin hanggang makauwi tayo ng matiwasay. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys, thank you so much for the support, and God bless us all. Adios.